Hi everyone, it's Sunshine Annie. Oh, it's been a crazy weekend. We are doing the gender reveal this weekend of my new grandbaby, and by the time you see this, it will be known that I am going to be a proud Grammy of a baby boy. My son, our family tends to be boys. My father was one of five. My husband, it was just him and his brother. They adopted a girl, and my children were both boys, and now my son is going to have a son. So it's just been crazy. Sorry I didn't get this out earlier. Um, this is what last week's looked like. I doodled the flowers and mushrooms, and I decided, because sometimes, like with this takes work, and you may not feel particularly arty some days, so you don't want to draw and doodle. And it may be a busy week, so you can't get everything done. You don't always have to doodle or draw. You can use paper and cut pieces. So what I've decided to do, and please let me know if you like this idea, I'm going to show alternatives to using hand-drawn things. But everything is going to be within like a reasonable price. When I buy stickers, I either get them from the Dollar Tree or Joann's or Michael's or even Hobby Lobby, but I always shop when they are on sale so that they aren't more than a couple bucks. So what I've decided to do this week, this I've pre-done because I didn't want to sit here and cut washi tape. What I did was I used washi tape to kind of coincide with these colors a little bit, so that, you know, if you're looking through and you kind of see like continuity of stripes. Oh, and I did put in the September tab. And excuse me, I do have a cold coming on. I've been fighting. And so I decided that this one would be like, if you were busy and you didn't have time to do a lot of doodling, drawing, that kind of thing, you could do it with just quick, with washi tape, pick out a few colors that seem to coordinate, and I'm going to put one on so that it'll finish this. And I kind of chose this color to kind of blend in. And I'm trying to tuck them around the edge here so that they tuck under, and then just bringing it on my lines. So this is where I'd usually doodle during the week and do flowers or whatever. But this time I'm just using washi tape. And this isn't going to matter because this is going to end up covering, because this is going to be my October beginning page. So I'll have another black, so it'll end up covering up any boo-boos. What I also decided to do, I did write in, but you could use letters. So if you have letters or even stencils, you could stencil in your words if you don't like your handwriting or whatever. I do need to color that in because I did make a boo-boo, but if I use a dark enough color, it's not going to show. So what I decided to do, I have a variety of like stickers that I have. I got most of these on sale. Well, I got them on sale, but most of them were on sale from Hobby Lobby. And I can't remember where I got this one. I think it was Michael's. It was either Michael's or Joann's, but I'm pretty sure it was Michael's. So I saw it on this one. I loved this little one. I thought it went with the colors really well. And so I'm just going to stick a sticker on. Like I said, if you aren't a drawer, that's too high, but it's okay, because that can be snipped and doesn't matter. So if you're not someone who likes to doodle, or you don't feel confident in your drawing for whatever reason, um, it's your book. Make it what you want and what makes you happy. I loved these. I thought these were so pretty. So I'm going to keep going with this theme. I'm going to put a flower or some sticker in each of these. And then the rest will be for my writing. And I'm going to try to coordinate with the colors that I have. That's what it's going to look like this week. Sunday, I needed to put in that this is the day of the gender reveal. So I have to pick up the cupcakes. I am going to have to do a load of laundry in the morning, so that I'm ready, and I will have to prep food. And this week is release, and I do not know anything else I'm doing this week. Make sure I do a lot of my cleaning on Saturday, so Saturday is my cleaning day. This is what it's looking like right now. Next week, I'm going to be doing the cover, the October cover page that will look similar to this piece. It'll have this stuff and some notes and things. And then it will have the week here. So we'll have a cover page for October and then the first week. So you'll get to see kind of a two spread. And this is what it looked, the last week's looked like and how they will look together. I'll have all this filled in and you'll be able to see that in the next video. Let me know if there's specific things you'd like to see about creating a planner or creating this kind of planner. And let me know what you think I should do for a cover. I'm kind of drawing a blank. I hope you have a great week. Thanks for watching,